What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be doing a battery change on a Mercedes smart key. This smart key takes replacement battery CR2032. And the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key from the bottom. That's done by pressing this button on the back, and that'll allow the key to slide out like that. We also want to remove this back cover, so we'll press this button again, and that'll allow the back cover to slide off like that. Now, if we see this item right here that I have my finger on, that's actually the battery tray. And to get that out, you want to grab your emergency key, and using the tip of it, you'll just pry that tray out a little bit. And once it's started, you can just grab it with your fingers. And we can see our battery here. Go ahead and remove the old one. We'll grab our new battery, and on this little tray, you want to install that with the plus side down. So the plus side's touching the bottom of the tray like that. And then when we slide this in, we want this tray to have the black plastic piece on top like that. So slide that in, and slide the back cover on. Put our emergency key back in. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.